Anxiety affirmations are short statements that relate to our experience with this horrible condition.
I am not my anxiety. I am attracting positive energy into my body. I choose to feel calm. Anxiety isn't dangerous. I'm just uncomfortable. I'll make it through this. I am currently reducing my anxiety. I accept rejection. I am ridding my mind of negative thoughts and filling it with positive ones. I am worthy. I choose positive and nurturing thoughts. The picture in my head isn't healthy. That's just me being negative. I am cool, calm, and collected. I focus my energy on my values, not my anxiety. I am a confident, capable person. Anxiety might make me feel uncomfortable, but I am in charge of my mind and body. I am right where I need to be. I accept the way I feel right now. I feel anxious, but so what? I know what that feels like and I'll get through it. I am loved. I have the strength to move beyond my anxiety. I can surmount any and all situations. I am capable of solving any problems that face me. I do the best that I can. I'm trying my best, and that is enough. I'm going to focus on things I love to get me through this. I am in charge of my breathing. I deserve to be seen. I breathe in relaxation. I breathe out tension. I forgive myself. I radiate light and positivity. I am calmer with each deep breath I take. I cultivate inner calm. I can never be anything other than myself. I am free of anxiety and am living a calm life. I release the past. 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 I have strength and integrity in abundance. My mind is clearing and I am in control. I appreciate the beauty around me. I am myself, and that is enough. I have everything I need for a happy life. I look forward to a happy, bright future. I can do this. I am learning, growing, and thriving. I have survived my anxiety before. I will survive now. I am safe. The feelings of panic are leaving my body. I am curious about my triggers. I inhale energy, light, health, and I exhale negativity, darkness, illness. I am patient. I have the ability to overcome anxiety. I am brave. I am freeing myself from stress. I take things one step at a time. I am free of anything that weighs me down. I am strong. I give myself permission to feel this way without judgment. I am present in this moment. I can cope with whatever challenges I'm confronted with. I am relaxing each part of my body. I am safe and strong and capable. I will be okay. Thoughts are not facts. I accept failure. I am now in control. I can contend with any adversity. My body is calm. I am not in danger. I am just uncomfortable. This too will pass. I believe in myself. I am safe and in control. I feel and accept these difficult emotions. All is well in my world. I am safe and supported in all I'm doing. I accept and embrace my inadequacies. I reside in the here and now. I can breathe through any trials that befall me. I open my soul to peace. I acknowledge both my unease and ability to overcome it. I am in control of my day. Peace and love pervade my days. I am mindful and accepting of the present moment. I embrace the struggle.